Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you own a small part of that business. If the company grows, so does your investment.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries and asset types to reduce risk. Consider ETFs for instant diversification. Screen recording of popular brokerage platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or eToro. To buy stocks, you need a brokerage account. Some popular platforms are Insert Popular Brokers. Look for one with low fees and an easy-to-use interface. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries and asset types to reduce risk. Consider ETFs for instant diversification. Graph showing long-term stock market growth. Stocks can go up and down daily, but long-term investing is the key to success. Stay consistent, invest regularly, and don't panic over short-term market drops. Happy investor, checking portfolio grow. And that's it. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, keep learning, and let your money grow over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.